If you've been in Transylvania County long, then you probably recognize this waterfall. This property is available, and I'd like to show it to you. Let's go take a look. When you enter the property, the driveway comes through this large flat meadow and across Williamson Creek. If you liked what you've seen so far, you're going to love this home. Once inside, you'll find a well-maintained home, designed for one-level living. With an open floor plan where the dining room, kitchen, and living room blend seamlessly together. The lower level has lots of natural light and plenty of room for entertaining. This home also has plenty of outdoor living space, and from the deck, you can hear the waterfall. Come see 1000 Williamson Creek. It's the house right above the waterfall. Schedule your showing today.